In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs voice talk faster. Open your browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to get where we need to go. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs. You should see the official site appear among the top results. Click the ElevenLabs link to open their homepage. We're going to work inside their text-to-speech tool, which lets you type any text and instantly turn it into natural-sounding audio. Once the site loads, look for text-to-speech and click it. This takes you to the main editor where you'll enter your script and generate the voice. Think of this page as your control room. Text input on one side, voice model choices on the other, and a button to create the audio. Now, let's prepare your prompt so the voice actually speaks faster. ElevenLabs accepts simple style cues at the start of your text, placed inside brackets. Add the word rushed in brackets right at the beginning. For example, you can type rushed. "Wait, don't go yet," he blurted out, the words tumbling from his mouth. And as she turned back toward him, he realized he'd said far more than he ever intended. That bracketed cue nudges the model to tighten pacing and deliver lines more quickly. Keep your punctuation natural and consider slightly shorter sentences if you want the speed to feel crisp without getting messy. The key is that the style cue sits at the very start so it applies to everything that follows. Next, choose the V3 model. Select V3 from the model options on the page. This version is designed to produce expressive, reliable pacing and generally does a great job responding to style cues like rushed. If you've used earlier versions, you'll likely notice V3 keeps clarity while speeding up delivery, which is exactly what we want. With your prompt ready and the V3 model selected, click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will process your text and produce audio with a noticeably faster cadence. Listen through the result. If it feels too hurried, smooth it out by revising your wording or adding clearer pauses with punctuation. If it isn't fast enough, tighten your sentences or make your language more direct. Small changes in writing can make a surprisingly big difference in pace while keeping the voice understandable. That's it. Google ElevenLabs, open text-to-speech. Add the bracketed rushed cue to your prompt. Pick the V3 model and generate. Follow these steps, and you'll get a faster, natural-sounding read in just a few clicks.